welcome to Ready Set Demo from Elizabeth's Craft Room. These are our June class projects that I have been teaching. So I thought I'd just give you a quick show and tell and also show you some alternates done with some of the same goodies. So we'll start off with this one here, which is Spotlight on Nature. A very simple fancy fold. Sometimes in class we want to do a fancy fold, but we want to keep it simple, and that's what we've done here. So I've used the Spotlight on Nature dies. Now for these, let's take those out of the way for a minute. For these, I've done this little sampler to show that you get 12 dies, and that you can. And you've got 3 different designs. So you've got, now I'm going to see whether I can get this up under the light. You've got like a radiating line die going round the edge. You've got this one with the little dashes and dots. And then you've got these little leaf designs. And so you've got the 3 designs in different sizes so that you can layer them up matching. If you like to be matchy-matchy. Like this one, and then there's one in the middle, I think. Yes, of course there's that one there in the middle. So you've got them in different sizes, or you can mix and match, which is what I've done on this project. And these are page 69 in the catalogue. So I've done mine A4, but basically what you want to do is you want to take the height of your card. So you've got a strip of your cardstock, you take the height of your card and divide in half and score, and then divide the front piece in half and score as well. So that is how that looks. And very, very simple little card. We've used the, let's grab those stamps. We've used the Spotlight on Nature stamps and coloured in with blends. And with these leaves, I've used the new Basic Beige just to give a bit of texture to the rest of the card. Even though you don't see this when it's standing, when it's flat, you're going to see you don't want a whole piece of blank card. So I have used those in the new Basic Beige. We use the thanks as one option. And then I've also given an option in class for a happy birthday version, and that is the happy birthday from Pocket Thoughts. I love these stamps. So that's that one. Moving on to our next project, and I have not actually made loads of samples with this one. This is labelled with love from page 58 of the catalogue, and what I love about it is it comes with a punch as an option. You can also choose dies instead, but I'm a punch girl through and through when I get the chance. So I was all for ordering the punch. Really simple little card, and layered up with those punch layers. We gutted the pink layer by pushing the punch all the way in, because you're not going to see the pink layer, to save us some cardstock. But don't do that with your green one, or you're going to have a hole on the back of the card. So yeah, very simple 2-step stamping for the butterflies on that. And the colours for this are the Pretty in Pink and the new, is it called Seaside Splash? Let me just check. Summer Splash, the new Summer Splash. I think they're a great colour combination. So hope you like that one. And then finally, we've got, this is the card we are making in class. This is the Tune In bundle, and I absolutely love these vintage TVs. They are so lovely. So we're making a really kind of bright and sassy one. I've used the embossing folder is, I think it's called Distressed Tile. And I thought it almost looked like a kind of 60s wallpaper or look kind of going on there in the background. So we've done that, and then we've got Newsflash Happy Birthday. It goes on the inside. So this one is mostly done with the dies, apart from the greetings. I made this little stand. I was looking at some pictures of old TVs, And some of them are like silver on the inside and the wood look on the outside. So I made this little one to just to stand up and show my other samples. So for the other samples, I've got 2 in this blue. So these are, I think this is a mixture of country woods, and I think this grey one here, which I also thought looked a bit 60s kind of brick or wallpaper look. I think this one is Out of Take to the Sky. So again, I have stamped. It's quite subtle. I don't know how well you can see, but I've stamped here on the early espresso with black. Now, when you look, the way the dies work is for you to have this piece at the bottom, and the way the stamps work is that the screen is across to the left. So just to be aware, there is 2 ways of doing those. So that's that one. I'm so glad to have silver, by the way, silver foil back in the catalogue. This one, especially for my UK friends. I don't know whether anyone would know this if you didn't grow up in this generation in the 60s and 70s. This is the test card that they would put up on the screen when there were no programmes showing. Yes, kids, that used to happen. And this is the test card that they would put up. So all I did is I found an image online, I printed it out, and then I put some window sheet in front of it to give it that kind of TV front look as well. So I was really quite pleased how that came out. The wooden telly, again, I have used the Country Woods Designer Series paper for that, and I think the blue again is Take to the Sky. So I have mixed and matched here, and I love the Your Classic on there. And finally, much more funky in terms of colours and options, I've used the dotted circles, I think it's called, Great Big Giant embossing folder for the background with Pretty in Pink. These little pieces coloured pieces in the background, that is one of the dies that comes with it. I just stamped them all, die cut them all in white and then coloured them in with the new in colour blends. And I'm quite happy how this one came out as well. Now, if you're on Ready Set Demo on the blog, you will see some more samples made with Spotlight on Nature and using the basic beige. Also, if you're on my newsletter list, you will have got those on the newsletter list as well. So just check your inbox for those. Watch out for my free printables and other things that are over on our Ready Set Demo blog, and all the links are down below to join the newsletter list so you don't miss out on anything at all. So thanks for visiting Ready Set Demo from Elizabeth's Craft Room, and I'll see you soon. Bye.